it's Lynn from Contenta Crafts. I'm so glad you could join me today, and I hope today's project really inspires you. Today I'm making this stunning Christmas exploding table Favour box, and I've decorated it with some lovely green organza ribbon at the top here, and I've just popped a little glitter snowball in the center of the ribbon, so the ribbon just slides off like so, and you can get a really good size gift in there. And what you will do is just pop your lid off and the box just pops open. So inside mine I've popped a lovely pair of earrings in there. You could actually fit a nice little ring if it was in a little box, or you could pop some chocolates in. It's a great size box, and then all you do is just pop your lid over like so, and the ribbon just slides back on like that. And I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and it would look great on your table, or if you wanted to pop it into a Christmas stocking, or even pop it under your tree. I'm really excited to share it with you, so let's get started. Firstly, you will need a piece of card that measures 6 by 6 inches, and this is for the base of the box, and you will need one piece of card that will measure 4 by 4 inches, and this is for your lid. And you will also need a piece of ribbon. So what we are going to do is, first of all, we are going to start with the base of the box, and we are going to measure 2 inches on all 4 sides. We want to score at 2 and 4, and turn your card around and score again at 2 and 4. So that is the base of the box done. So for the lid, all I want to do is, so that we get a nice fit, is bring in a little piece of card, and you call this a shim. And what I want to do is just put this up to the side like so. So we will pop that in, and then you will come in with your lid, and what you will do is score at the 1 inch point on all 4 sides. 1, 1, and this just gives it a nice snug fit. 1 and 1 inch. Okay, and then what you can do is just fold and burnish all of your score lines. Like so. And then what you would do is, these little 4 corners here, you will cut up each one like so. I've already done mine like that, and then you will just notch a little bit out on each of the 4 pieces. So you will have that. So that is our lid done. Now all we need to do is fold and burnish the base of the box, and on this one there isn't any cutting, So we now need to come in with a ruler or something to score a nice line on the base. So it's these 4 pieces here. So we need to come and draw a diagonal line across each one, like so. So if you go over it a few times, like that, and that's on all of your 4 corners. Like so. And again on these 2. And the reason I'm doing this is so that we can get these folded up, and it will just help to fold the card by breaking the fibres of the card once you've scored it. Okay, so that's that bit. So now what we'll do is we need to come to these corners that you've just scored, and literally what we want to do is bring those up where you've scored the line. So just kind of push them in over. You could even do it like that, and you'll get a good fold. So start like that first, and then once you've pushed them so far up, just go down with your fingers like that. So we'll just get these other 2 folded. So we need to push them in like so, and then at the back there, just press those like that. And the last one, again, just push them in the way, and then like that. So we should have something that looks like this. So that is the base finished. So now what we want to do is bring our glue in and just stick these little bits down on the lid. Just grab my glue, put a little bit of glue on each of the 4 corners. We just bring those up and around like this. Bring those down, and again on this side, pop those in like so. That is our lid all stuck down. Need a little bit more on that one actually. Well, all we need to do now to finish off is bring the box together. So all of the little pointed pieces here, what you do is just fold one onto one of the squares, the next pointed bit onto that square, and the next one onto there, like so, and the last one like that. So you end up with a little square, like so. And then what you will do is just pop either your chocolates or your little gift in. It does fit a small pair of earrings in there. and then you will just pop your lid over like that. And isn't that a lovely fit on there? By using the shim, we've got a nice snug fit there, and that looks absolutely fabulous. So obviously when you open it up, that's where your box just pops open, and that's great. We'll just put the lid back on there, and then to finish it, I will add a lovely little ribbon. You don't have to do this. I'm just going to pop a little piece of ribbon around the top, like so, and make a lovely little bow. We need that a little bit longer. That piece longer. Like that. And there we go. Just cut that off with my ribbon scissors. That. And I can fiddle about with that later, just trying to neaten it up a little bit. But you get the idea anyway. And then what I might do is just pop a little snowball in the middle there. Just give that a couple of minutes to stick down. So there you go. Isn't that absolutely stunning? It really, really is. You can use it either as a table favour, or it would look absolutely fabulous under a Christmas tree. Thank you to everyone who has joined me over the last number of months, helping me to grow my channel. I'm very, very grateful to everyone who has subscribed. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit the notification bell and you will be notified when I upload my next video in the new year. So I hope everyone has a happy, wonderful Christmas, and I will see you all in the new year. Take care and bye-bye for now.